Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's take a look inside the iconic Oval Office at the White House. Let's begin. But first, let's explore around the White House. Construction of the Washington Monument began in 1848 but was not completed until 1884 due to a lack of funding and the American Civil War. The United States Capitol building in Washington, D.C. has its own subway system to help transport senators and representatives to and from the Capitol and the congressional office buildings. The Capitol building's dome is made of cast iron and was originally designed by Thomas U. Walter and later completed by Montgomery C. Meigs. The memorial features a large seated sculpture of Abraham Lincoln. The statue is 19 feet tall and was carved from 28 blocks of white Georgia marble. The Lincoln Memorial was designed by architect Henry Bacon, and its design is inspired by the Greek Parthenon. The steps of the Lincoln Memorial were the site of Martin Luther King Jr.'s famous "I Have a Dream" speech during the March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom in 1963. The Vietnam Veterans Memorial in Washington, D.C. is unique in that it is made up of two 247-foot-long black granite walls that are sunk into the ground, with the names of over 58,000 servicemen etched into the surface. The Thomas Jefferson Memorial in Washington, D.C. stands directly in line with the White House and the United States Capitol. This was a deliberate design choice to symbolize the relationship between the three branches of the federal government. The Korean War Veterans Memorial in Washington, D.C. consists of 19 stainless steel statues, each standing about 7 feet tall, representing a squad on patrol. The memorial consists of 56 granite pillars, each adorned with bronze wreaths, and a freedom wall with 4,048 gold stars, each representing 100 American military deaths in the war. The Oval Office is the primary office of the President of the United States. It is located in the West Wing of the White House. The oval-shaped office is decorated and furnished to suit the President's preferences. Historical art and furniture often adorn the room, giving it a distinguished and powerful ambiance. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out our other videos. Remember, learn something every day. We will see you in the next one.
Give me that.